Ever wondered how to improve your everyday English conversations? The secret lies in mastering daily English sentences. These simple yet powerful phrases can dramatically enhance your communication skills, allowing you to engage more effectively with those around you. Consider the sentence, "How's your day going?" It's a friendly way to show interest in someone's well-being and activities. Or, "What's the weather like?" This is a great conversational opener, especially in a culture where discussing weather is a common small talk topic. And how about, "What are your plans for the weekend?" This question not only shows curiosity, but also opens the door to shared interests and potential bonding over common activities. Each of these sentences is an essential tool in the toolbox of English conversation. They're simple, versatile, and can be used in a wide range of situations. Remember, the key to mastering daily English sentences is practice. Ready to take your English vocabulary to the next level? Let's dive right in. A fabulous way to enhance your vocabulary is by incorporating idioms and phrases into your daily conversations. They add color and context, making your speech more engaging. Let's look at a few. First up, we have break a leg. No, it's not a violent command. It's a theatrical phrase used to wish someone good luck before a performance. Next, we have piece of cake. Don't go looking for dessert. This phrase simply means that something is very easy to do. And lastly, hit the books. This is a classic phrase used by students worldwide, meaning to study hard. Remember, the key to mastering these phrases is practice. Use them in your conversations, in your writings, and even in your thoughts. So, don't shy away from using these phrases in your next English conversation. So, what have we learned today about daily English sentences? We've discovered that using English in our everyday lives isn't just about communication. It's about making connections, expressing ideas, and even exploring different cultures. Whether we're nurturing plants in the garden, planning exciting adventures, contributing to our community, or honing our writing skills, English is there, making it all possible. We've also seen how expanding our vocabulary can enrich our experiences. When we cook up a storm, create art, participate in online events, or even when we're just working from home, a wide vocabulary can help us express ourselves more accurately and confidently. And let's not forget the importance of using English to foster positive relationships, practice new languages, secure our financial future, and even explore new hiking trails. So keep practicing, keep improving, and remember, every conversation is an opportunity to learn something new.